Today, you will learn how to put space between two images in Word. First, make sure both images are on the same line and also set to Inline with Text. Now try to click in the space between the two pictures. Otherwise, click on one side of image and use arrow keys to move the cursor between two images. Now simply press the spacebar a few times to create a gap between them. If you want more even spacing, you can also press the Tab key instead of using multiple spaces. If the pictures don't move the way you want, click on an image, go to Picture Format, choose Wrap Text, and select Inline with Text. Then place your cursor between the two images and add the space again. This makes the images behave like normal text, so spacing is much easier to control. That's it. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.